Hello, besties. Today we have something delicious. Today we are making coconut creamy chicken stew. And for all the ingredients, just check the box below and everything is ready for you. Check all the ingredients and everything we used. You will find it down in the box. So if you haven't subscribed on this channel, please do so. And this video is 3 in 1, guys. And if you only watch the first one, you will be missing two more delicious ingredients meals. So stay where you are and enjoy watching this masterpiece of lunch I made. So tell me, how did you find this first video? Let me know in the comment section and I will read it. So moving forward, now we are going into the next one. This is a very, very delicious meal. I love it. So let us make beef stew. So I will say everything with beef is delicious. You agree with me? Let me know in the comment section. Now, let us make this delicious lunch. Stay where you are and keep watching. Now our lunch is ready, guys. Look at this delicious lunch I made. I hope you like it. If yes, let me know in the comments. So now we are going into the next and the last video. Let us make turkey stew. Have you done this before? If yes, just let me know in the comment section. And for all the ingredients used in the video, from the first video to the last video, please check in the description box, and all the ingredients and everything is ready for you. Now let us sit, relax, and watch this masterpiece of lunch I made. If you are here from the beginning to this video until this end, hey, I salute you and thank you for watching. Our stew is ready. You can choose what you can use to eat with rice, potato, fufu, anything. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.